Na ddechrau efo datganiad syml
Right,
iawn
well,
sef
I'll start with declarations that this meeting is being recorded,
yr elfen sydd ddim yn
but
sydd
it's
sydd ddim yn efo'r elfen cell yn y wasg. Os ydych yn hapus gyda hwn, gadewch y
if
cyfarfod
you're
bron.
not happy with being recorded, please leave the meeting now. The first item is apologies, I believe. Yeah, welcome to the Resources Committee meeting. We'll go straight into apologies. Are there any apologies, please? Okay, thank you very much. And moving on, I'd like to welcome Stefan, Katrin, all of you. Jill's not here, Elbert. So Dilwyn apologises. Right, okay, thank you very much. Now, is there anyone who wants to declare an interest in any item in this meeting? No? Right, let's move on then immediately to item 3, to the National Park Officer. Iwan, I'll hand it over to you. Thank you. This is the report which basically we exclude the press and public from this, and then yeah, thanks for that. So we've got a proposer, a seconder, and if anyone could show their hands to indicate it's carried. Excellent. Thank you very much.